Go to edit mode and create a base model of your mirror to get started. Select this face and press I to insert another face. Hit P and choose selection. Now go to the object mode. Add a texture to the mirror frame. Now open any 3D model. Go to the render preview. Select mirror and go to its material properties. Take its roughness to 0 and take metallic to 1. Now the last thing you have to do is to load up reflection plane. So press Shift A, click light probe and choose reflection plane. Rotate it 90 degrees on Y-axis. Now take it to the mirror position. Now scale it so that it can fit the mirror.